Let's dive in.
Wow, seafood lasagna. Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on, surf lasagna with me.
I know this looks like a ton of spinach, but trust me, it'll cook down. Remember Tiara's bechamel? My twist, clam juice. Ooh. Quick toss, keep it green. It's not a big dill. See what I did there? To put this herb in a fish dish. Wild-caught shrimp, worth the extra buck or two. Mussels are seafood flavor bombs, rich in omega-3s. Good for these mussels. Which way to the beach? That way. Fresh pasta, really easy to make. But you know what's even easier? Ready-made. Too big? Keep watching. Cool, right?
This dish is perfect for me. I'm on that new seafood diet. Here's how it works. Whenever I see food, I eat it.
Fold it like an accordion. Accordion to the recipe. Toasted breadcrumbs. Add them at the end for major crunch. Yes.